Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see another C programming concept called conditional statement. Before proceeding further, I would recommend you watching my other lectures like lecture from the first video so that you can understand this concept better. So, suppose in real life there is a hot weather and the temperature is like too much, like in this case if temperature is greater than 25, like, and then you want to turn on the fan. So in this case what will happen? You will just feel like, oh, it is too much hot, and then you will turn on the fan. But same thing, suppose what if you want to achieve using programming language, then in that case you have need to use the concept of conditional statement. So what is this condition, how it looks like? So there is conditional statement called if. So this if conditional statement looks like this. So what we have to do is you have to write this if and open parenthesis, and you have to write some condition and then write the code in between this braces that will execute and do the action that you want to perform. So let's see how uh, this particular logic can be mimicked into programming. So what we do, first we write this stdoi.h, and then we write the main function, and then we give the what is the temperature, and then we put the condition. So we write if, and as we see here we have to write the condition. So we write condition here, if temperature is greater. So this is nothing but a condition. If this condition will become true, means if it is correct, condition is correct, then what will happen, this particular function will execute, means it will print this message, switch on the fan. So here conditional things are happening. So we are trying to mimic this conditional thing in programming, and this is how it is achieved. So let's see some other conditional statements. So another conditional statement we'll see here is, suppose you have a two number and you want to find it out which number is bigger. Yes, if A is bigger or B is bigger. So for this purpose also, there is a, in this case the result will be B is greater. So for this purpose also there is another conditional statement in C programming is called if else. So how this looks like is, you have to first you have to write if and the condition and then some code, then else and some code here. So how you will write a program using this conditional statement is, first you write this stdio.h and void main, then int, write declare to variable a b and put a condition. So what you will do here, you'll check a is greater than b. So here in this case what will happen, 5 is greater than b, no, it is false. So what will happen, that it will not go inside this, instead it will come inside this, means if one is, if this condition is true, then it will come inside this particular code, and otherwise if it is false, it is inside this. So basically you want to check some condition, and based if it is true then you want to take some action, and if it is false and you want to take another action, in that case you will use if else. So if true also, then some action will be performed, if false also, if some other action will be performed. In that case you'll use if else statement. Let's see another conditional statement that is called if else. So you in this case, suppose you want to check multiple multiple can, suppose here you want to categorize the age. Suppose you have given the age of a person and you want to categorize into three category, one of these three category, like you want to categorize whether this person is comes under teenager or adult, or it is elder, they are elder. So what how for this purpose we will use a concept of if else. So basically what we do here, we write a code here. First it looks like if some condition, and then write some code inside this if this condition is true, then else if condition, and then some code, and as many else if you want you can write in place of this dot dot dot, means you can write as many else if condition in between this if condition and this else. So let's see an example, programming example. So in this case, else if how it will look like is, here we are given the age of a person, and in this case we are checking age is less than 18, no, 20 is less than 18, no, it is false. So this condition is false. So if this condition is false, what will happen, it will come here, it will come here this line, and it will check if age is less than 40. Yes, it is age is less than 40. So 20 is less than 40. So in this case, it will print adult as the output. Suppose if the age value was 45, in that case, what will happen? This is also false. This is also false. Then it will finally it will print elder. So for different types of situation, different types of condition, we have different if else condition. So thanks for watching. Please watch my other video for mm, further understanding of another concept. And if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel.